Tired of wondering where your workday goes? Let's tame the chaos and get your time under control by integrating Clockify directly into your Trello boards. First, make sure you have both Trello and Clockify accounts. If you don't, head over to their websites and sign up while it's free. Next, you'll need to install the Clockify Chrome or Firefox extension. Just search for Clockify Time Tracker in the Chrome Web Store or Firefox add-ins and click Add to Chrome or Add to Firefox. Once installed, you should see the Clockify icon in your browser's toolbar. Now, open your Trello board. Navigate to any card on your Trello board. You should now see a Clockify timer button integrated directly into the card. If you don't see it, try refreshing the page. To start tracking time, simply click the Clockify timer button within the Trello card. Clockify will automatically populate the task name with the card's title. You can adjust it if needed, add a project, and then hit that play button. While the timer is running, you can continue working on the task. The timer will continue to run in the background, tracking your time. When you're finished with the task, click the stop button within the Trello card. The track time will be automatically saved in your Clockify account. To view your track time, log into your Clockify account. You'll find detailed reports broken down by project, task, and even Trello card. Now you can see exactly where your time is going and make data-driven decisions to improve your productivity. Happy tracking.